iPhone Help here to show you the Naztech mini Bluetooth keyboard for iPhone, iPad, and most Apple products from Wireless Emporium, which is, they have all free shipping, and they have 100% easy, no hassle return policy, which I've had to use that a couple times, and it's amazing. And customer support is great, so go check them out. Link is in the description. And it says it will work with iPhones and iPads, so let's test it out. So this is all what came in it. Software driver, I don't understand why you need those, but I guess we'll figure out later. A charging cable, USB, and the keyboard itself, which is very, very nice. I thought it would be a little bit worse, but this is amazing. As you can see right there, they stick out, and you can feel pretty good if you touch something or not. So, I mean, it's pretty good. I'm gonna charge this up, and I will get back to you guys. Alright, I charged and connected the Bluetooth keyboard to my device, and it is very nice. I did some typing earlier. There's many shortcuts on it, such as the function key in 5 is playing some music. I mean, like you can see there, there is some only for the Mac, such as the spaces right there, which your Mac users, you know what that is. Tons of functions on this thing. I mean, I'm gonna use this a lot, no doubt. Some other things, if you want to switch keyboards while you're typing, say I say, hey, and then I want to put a little emoji icon. I hit FN and 7, and it switches over to that keyboard, which you can't do emoji on this, but it is pretty amazing. Very responsive. I mean, no time in between. There's no lag, as you would say. And I mean, I rate this keyboard 5 out of 5. Just amazing. You can hook it up to your Mac if you want. Not sure why you would do that. Maybe if you lost your keyboard, if you had an iMac, you lost it, and you needed a backup, this would do perfect. It's 52 characters, I believe, and is amazing. It gets some time getting used to, but after a while, it'll fit really well into your daily lifestyle. And again, this was gave to me by Wireless Emporium. They have free shipping, hassle-free, and please, if you're gonna buy it somewhere, buy it from them. They have it the cheapest. They have best customer support, and an overall great company. All right, guys, iPhone Help out.